In this video we will discuss the 1-6-4-5 chord progression and the different ways it can be arranged, such as this. In each major key there are 7 chords. 3 of these are major and 3 of these are minor. One of the simplest and most widely used chord progressions is 1-4-5. This uses all of the major chords in a key. If we add one of the minor chords to the 3 major chords, then we open up a huge range of possibilities for our progressions. Today we will look at adding the 6 minor chord to the 1-4-5 major chords. If you are confused by any of the terms used in this video, or if you want a bit more background on chord progressions, then check out the links in the description below to help you. The easiest way to explore the 1-6-4-5 progression is by using turnarounds. A turnaround is typically a 2 or 4 bar sequence of chords that repeats. It helps to create a repetitive hook in a song, which makes it more memorable. The most basic version, or primary form, is to play the chords in the order 1-6-4-5. Please note that we will use the key of C major in our examples. We could also use the true number order 1 to 6. Next we can take the primary form but start and end on a different chord. This creates a displacing effect. For example, if we take our true number order and then reverse it, starting on 6 and ending on 1, we create a descending feeling. This is useful at the end of a song or when creating a change in movement. Another way to mix up a primary turnaround is to change the speed at which the chords change, such as you can also experiment with the order of the chords. For example, we can stretch out the middle of the turnaround so we have some repetition internally, but still end on the 5 chord. This can be useful for later repeats of the turnaround after hearing the primary form. We can also expand the stretching idea by having 2 repeats of our turnaround, but again delaying the 5 chord until the end of the turnaround. Fitting this into 4 bars could look like this. Each major and minor chord has 2 inversions. This means that we can treble our selection of chords. Combine this with the techniques we've discussed, and you have a huge amount of variation at your disposal. Inversions are useful in turnarounds, creating interesting bass lines and changing the feel or movement of the turnaround. Here are a couple of basic inversion ideas. If this guide has helped you in any way, then we would love you to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more chord content. And keep watching for some words of caution. Turnarounds are simple, effective, and because of this they are widely used. However, this can also be their downfall. Constant repetition throughout a song can reduce their impact and weaken a song as a result. Sometimes when you feel like you've heard a song before, it is because of repeated use of common turnarounds, particularly the primary form. Try to construct unique song sections that aren't simple repetitions, and then deploy your turnarounds to maximize impact, such as with a chorus. Use inversions and other techniques to mix up repeated sections and create unique and interesting songs. If you need more chord progression help, check out this playlist.